Hello, hi, and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. And today I have come up with Chonya ukkari. Now, this is a dish that is usually given for various pujas as prasada, or you get in the temple also as prasada. The ingredients you need: Bengal gram 1 cup, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 to 2 red chilies, 1 to 2 green chilies, few peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 sprig curry leaf, salt to taste, and coconut gratings. So these are the various ingredients you need. Few peppercorns have to be crushed and used. Coming, heat oil in a kadai or a pan, add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add red chilies, green chilies, curry leaves and peppercorns. Saute for a second. Add the cooked chana Bengal gram to it. Evaporate most of the water from the Bengal gram. Add grated coconut as garnishing once done. Your chona curry is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe.